Hey guys, welcome back to x2design.com. In this video, we are going to discuss about inertia. What is meant by inertia? So in the study of moving object, the concept of inertia is an internal resisting force that helps the body to stop at a point after removing the influence of external force. So I think now you have a little bit idea of what inertia is. And also we can define inertia as a resistance force of a physical object to any change in its state of motion. So we can say that it is simply the amount of resistance to a change in its velocity. Let us understand this inertia from Newton's point of view. In Newton's first law, an object at rest stays at rest, an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed in the same direction unless resisted by an unbalanced force. So let us understand this Newton's first law of motion clearly with an example. For example, if we throw a ball into the sky with a velocity, according to Newton's first law, if there is no such resistible force against the ball, then the ball will go through the sky with the same velocity. It will never drop. But unfortunately it drops, right? So definitely there must be a resistive force. The ball will reach the ground after some time. So on the surface of Earth, air resistance and the gravity are masked as the inertia. This causes the resistance in the velocity of any moving object away from the Earth. So let us see a few more examples of inertia. In space, it is very difficult to stop moving due to lack of gravity. When pedaling a bicycle, if you stop pedaling, the bike will continue to go on until the friction or gravity slows it down. When you stir coffee or tea and stop, the swirling motion continues due to inertia. A fan in motion, when switched off, it does not come to state of rest immediately. It will rotate for some time and then it comes to rest due to inertia. And inertia is a common phenomenon as it exists in every moving object. One well-known example is flywheel, also known as energy reservoir. So this flywheel is provided for the four-stroke engine to store some internal energy to give additional stroke or support during the weak stroke in the four-stroke cycle. So this is all about inertia. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified when we post a new video.